Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. If you are a new viewer, then definitely go to my channel, watch all these videos, and if you're liking these videos, then you can go and hit this subscribe button to be a part of the Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp our customer care team. 7892652481 is their number. For the ones who wants to open an account through us, Zerodha or Upstock, you can click this link and open an account. And for the ones opening, will be part of my Telegram channel for lifetime learning and bonding. It's only for learning, guys, not for any calls or any tips. So today's observation, we were looking in our Telegram channel. So this is our Telegram channel called Smart Shares, which is not an open platform. Only for the ones who open the account in Zerodha or Upstock, they will be getting this access. So if anyone else is opened an account or Telegram channel saying Smart Trader or Smart Traders or something, it is not our channel. We just have this one channel which is personally handled by me, and I only post whatever I observe. Whenever I'm free, I keep sending few learnings, I keep advising people something. So whenever I'm free, I keep doing that. So if you want to be part of this for lifetime learning and bonding, then you can be part of it. These are not for trading purposes or recommendation. These are only for learning and observation purpose on a daily basis whenever I get time. So if you see Apollo Hospital morning, when I was looking into that, few parameters, around 3 parameters were matching, and it was already a trending stock. And considering that I had Page India and Apollo Hospital in my radar, so I felt Apollo Hospital is what I can share with my group for observations during that breakouts. So let's see where it went after the market. So market has gone 1.39%. So the market has moved really good. And if you see, Apollo Hospital has moved up to 1368 after our point. So if you see the high over there, 1368, it has been touched 1368. So it's a big movement, 2-3% move. And Page India also has gone up, but as per my parameters, this is the one which matched. So I didn't look into this particular stock, but anyways, I also took position in Apollo June futures, so that also went really good today, and I booked more than 1% profit. Now a lot of people have a question, sir, today the stock went so much percentage above, why should we observe for 0.3%, why not more? So what I always tell is, you can observe more than 0.3%, it is just your homework. You can observe how much more than that also. And the reason I book 1%, 2% or sometimes 0.3% is because based on my skills, based on my experience, when the stock goes against, I sometimes average it out, and I do all those things. These things now a beginner will not do. He will not have the same experience what I had, right? So considering all that, it will be a difficult task for them, and they may not end up booking profit sometime if the stock reverses. Today the stock went 2-3% above or 4-5% above from our level, but what if the stock would have reversed after 1% or 0.5%? So that is the reason I tell, because different people watching our channel are different, and different people in my Telegram are different skill sets or different page. So therefore I always tell them, book at 0.3% observation, and when you are trading on your personal independent trade, try to book 0.3. If you're able to consistently making 0.3, then go ahead and book more. And now if you have experience, you have learnt a lot, you are confident, then definitely you can go 0.5, 0.7, 1%. It's up to you. But as I always tell you, keep logical type of target. Don't keep targets which are not achievable every day. So you should understand a bad day also, and nobody knows which is the bad day. Even during a bad day, you should be able to book your profit. That's the reason I tell beginners, book 0.3% or observe 0.3%. That's what I kept on telling you from day one of my channel. 0.3% target. That's to ensure beginners to at least book some profit rather than being greedy and waiting. Today you waited, looking at today, tomorrow you will expect that the stock which we are going to look may go 1-3% above. So that is not maturity. In terms of maturity, you should be able to book everyday profit. For that, you need to observe how much every stock go on a daily basis, and your target should be within that, not more than that. So this is how we keep practicing. Whenever I free, I keep sharing certain details about the market, what's happening in the market and all that. And it's only pure learning purpose. If somebody is asking me what is the stop loss, can I book a trade on this, I would never encourage them. I always tell them this is for learning, please do not ask me. So they normally ask my customer care team, so they tell them this is only for learning purpose. So if you are also watching this video, this is how we share. So If you are expecting calls and all that, it is not for calls and recommendations. It's only for pure learning, for lifetime and bonding. So anyways, hope you like this video and hope you had a great trade today. And always trade safe, keep certain rules in mind before trading. In intraday you need a lot of discipline. Intraday is not for everyone, so first understand whether intraday is for you. Do paper trading and observe, and the more you observe, the more stronger you become. So thank you so much for watching. Please do keep watching our videos and share with all your friends and colleagues and students. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.